Graph f of x equals the absolute value of the quantity x minus 3 plus 4. Give the domain and range. Well, first note that if x equals 3, then f of x will equal 4. This gives the lowest point on the graph, 3, 4. Let's find additional points on this graph and organize them in a table of x and y values. If x is 1, then f of x, or y, is equal to 6. If x is 2, then f of x, or y, is 5. We already found the point 3, 4. We'll find one additional point. If x is 5, then y is 6. Now let's plot points on the graph in order to graph the function. We'll first label our coordinate grid by letting each dotted line represent one unit. So the minimum on each axis is -6, and the maximum on each axis is 6. We have our point 1, 6. So from the origin, we move right 1 and up 6. We have the point 2, 5. So from the origin, we move right 2 and up 5. We then have the lowest point on the graph, 3, 4. So we move right 3 and up 4 units. And then we have the point 5, 6. So from the origin, we move right 5 and up 6. We connect these points, and we see that the graph has the same general shape as the graph of y equals the absolute value of x. However, it is shifted 3 units to the right and 4 units up. The domain is all real numbers, or the interval from -infinity to infinity. The range is the interval from 4 to infinity, including 4.